Tastes nasty.
I know what it is. It's earwax.
That's what it tastes like? Oh my god.
Spit it out.
That was nasty.
Tear me apart, watch it burn. Tear me apart. Tear me apart, watch it burn. All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.
We are going to pick up a motorcycle. Diane, after I cried on her and told her that I really want the motorcycle, she gave me the cash. I have it with me. Matt's here with me. We have a 3-hour drive and it's 3 o'clock. So we'll get there at 6:30. Another 3 hours back, 6, 8, 9. I think I'll be home by 10 o'clock. We will get some drive-through. Right, Matt?
Yeah.
Cool. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Guys, quick update. We got 1 hour and 13 minutes left to go. Right now we are on a one lane road. I still have Matt with me, even though he's a little quiet. I'm super excited to comment right now. What color do you think the bike is? Put it on pause. But yeah, can't wait. Get there, give it a test drive, put it in the back of the truck over there. I got some straps, we'll strap it down. I'll be home by 10 o'clock. For me, it's another hour and 12 minutes. For you guys, just a second. 3, 2, 1.
My family owned a restaurant, and I got used to counting money.
That's
like
the same
that,
way I count
but-
mine.
There you go.
Where's the other key? Is the other key in the...
It's in the bike. Okay, you've got your copy.
I
of
got
the
everything I need.
right?
Now it's just about getting
all
it in the
that.
truck.
Okay, right. Let's figure out how to do
Let's
that.
figure that. I'm still not gonna show you guys the bike. I'll show it to you guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, I'm on my way home. Putting the calculations. And check out what's behind us.
FM 90.
Whoa! Don't look! Ah! Super excited. I can't wait to get home and drive it. That's coming up now. I'm not gonna bore you guys with 3 hours, 2 hours, we're home. No. For me it's 3 hours. For you guys it's 3, 2, 1. Outside with the guys. This is Yanko's motorcycle. And this is Kolya's Ninja. He just bought it. So badass. Watch it. Alright guys, I made it home and this is the bike in the back of the truck. What you think, Mike? She's badass?
Yeah.
They're as big as me, no problem. 6-foot Mike and he's 13. Let's see how you look on the bike. Oh, boom, boom. I had a plug in my tire. This thing right here is giving me a problem. That's simple. Since 2 weeks I'm putting air in the tire. Good. Truck's all the way over there. They don't accept cash. So now I have to walk all the way to the Michoacana at the ATM. Man, I have it tough. Completely forgot to record. I just came into this place. And I bought some oil for the oil change for my bike. Man, when you walk in there, it smells like you walk into a Payless. Rubber and plastic. These are some badass bikes. They got some Polaris here. The little cars. To do the oil change and clean the gas lines.
Ricky Blue 82, what I do, Scooby Doo, like a Jew, fondue, barbecue.